Bombs crew, Toronto, Canada. Chilling out here in China, so yeah. What up?
Yeah, like he said, we're here at the Bomb Jam for Dancing.cn. We're about to do a little interview. Well, first question. You've been judging the competition these last 2 days. What do you have to say about the Chinese B-boys?
Chinese B-boys, they're very, very hungry. They're very humble. And they have really high technique, high skill. It's really fun to watch. Every time I judge, I get headaches because I don't know. It's so hard to pick a winner because everyone's so much energy. So number one thing, they're always humble. So it's dope.
Yeah. About that, a lot of judges have different ways of judging a competition, and it is really hard to choose only a few people out of so many. When you judge, is there anything specific that you look for? Anything that would make one B-boy stand out above the rest?
Not really, because in breaking, there's so many things you want to look at. Before, I would look at certain things, but there's so many aspects that now when I judge, it's just I watch, and it's a battle, so you have to be battling your opponent, so you can't just be out there running your moves. You have to aim it, have attitude. And, on top of all that, it's just the feeling that I get. And if I feel like at that moment that person wins, I'm just going to pick that person.
They're making a lot of noise back there, huh? That's the Jinzhou crew, right?
I don't know.
So happy.
Tomorrow you're not judging, tomorrow you're going to dance. Who are you going to dance with?
I'm just dancing with my homies from Beijing. I am judging tomorrow, but only the one-on-ones. So in the crew battle, I have some times I decided to dance and have a good time. You know?
Awesome. Dancing is always the most fun thing to do. Well, a lot of B-boys in China, they'd want to maybe get tips from some professionals how they themselves can become professional, international, world-class B-boys, maybe make a career out of this dance, maybe, you know, get to win some jams, get to some bigger international kind of jams. What kind of advice could you give to the Chinese B-boys that could make this scene get a lot better, a lot faster?
My advice would be always to keep the dance fun, you know, and that's because if you always put so much pressure on yourself to be a superstar b-boy, to get money and all that, then the dance, you're just so stressed, it's not fun, and it's not fun when you dance, it will never look good. Like I always tell people, this dance, it is not really meant for people to make money. It's a dance. The dance is supposed to make you feel good. It just so happened that I fell into it. I didn't aim for this, because if I aimed for it, maybe my dance would look different, because my goal was to be the best. And in b-boy, you can't be the best because there's power moves, there's foundation, there is freeze, so many styles, and maybe someone like power move will not like my style, but maybe someone that like footwork will like me. So many styles, you can never be the best. You just gotta keep it fun. And if you keep it fun, you're gonna dance more. And when you dance more, you're gonna get better. When you get better, then you will start to travel. But I will tell China b-boys, your aim, your goal should never to be famous or superstar. It's not what the dance is. This dance is just always there for you. You know, it's your dance. You don't have to. No one else have to think you're good. It's just your dance. So be happy and keep it fun, and everything else will take care of itself.
That's an awesome piece of advice. Well, like we said, we're here at the Bomb Jam in Suzhou, and you've seen 2 days. You've seen half of this jam already.
Yeah.
Have you been here before?
I've never been to Suzhou. Suzhou?
Yeah. So, how do you like this jam? What do you have to say about it?
I love it because they got B-girls, they do footwork, they do power, then they have 2-on-2, then a crew battle. So if you like footwork, you can come to Bomb Jam. If you like power, you can come to Bomb Jam. B-girl, you can come to Bomb Jam. If you want to dance with 10 of your friends, you can come. If you only have one friend, you can come. You know, like it's for everybody because so many different battles. So just come and have fun. You know, dope job.
I hear a lot of Chinese b-boys always talk about this question, power versus style, or whatever. And there's maybe some conflict or maybe some wisdom that needs to be dropped on some people. Would you mind doing the honors?
Well, for me, there's no such thing as power and style. It's everything. If you footwork, you're supposed to footwork with power. And when you power move, you're supposed to power with style. So you can't have one without the other. This dance is about finesse, power, and style. So if you just think I'm a style guy, just do footwork, well, it's not right. You know? If you're a power guy, you don't want to do footwork. That's not right either. And they go hand in hand, power and style and power. You have to have both in footwork and power. So.
Exactly what everyone needs to know, and needs to stop talking about the style versus power because it doesn't exist, huh?
It doesn't exist. It's silly. You need both.
So now everyone heard it. You can stop asking the question. Anything else you want to tell to the Chinese b-boys out there that are going to watch this interview later?
I just want to say thank you to all the Chinese b-boys. Everywhere I go, they always show me a lot of love. Keep staying humble, keep learning, keep being hungry, and only amazing things will happen. You know, they inspire me a lot. So thank you.
We're at the Bomb Jam, Bomb 6, dancewing.cn. Peace.